In this lesson, we're going to review the file menu here. The most important command are in a right click on the image. You can find it here, but it is more categorized of this menu is here. Okay, file, open file. It's open any image that you want. That in the previous lesson, we click and drag a folder on a software to open entire folder, as you can see in the thumbnail. Open image data from clipboard. For example, when you are in internet, you for example search flower in Google or any image, copy image. You copy the image in a clipboard of the system, your PC, and then you can go in here, right click, choose it here, or ctrl V, the shortcut. Pay attention to the shortcuts. Or here you can paste it from the clipboard. But notice that it's not in a playlist. Also, it's not in this folder. We have to save it. For example, going to the another option and save image or save image as. It's not important. You can save image as or can save it in this folder. It's a PNG, and now you can here change any format that you want. The PNG is good, and save it. Waiting to saving that image. That's very high quality image. Here you want to scroll, the image is here, and the image come to this folder. As you can see, when you reload or refresh, you can refresh the image position, and as you can see in the folder, sorry, click and drag again, and you can reload it. If this image comes to the end, you can refresh or reload, or you can choose reload image list. For example, I choose another image. Okay, for example, copy, or you can save image as on your PC. For example, this image, we can save image as number JPEG. Going desktop, we can put it in this folder, and then back to the software. It's here at the end of the list. You can file and reload it, going to the right position. These are the images that are in this folder here, and then it says child folder. In the previous lesson, I told you can click show the child folder, and then software shows this image in the folder. As you can see, these are the JPEG main folder, these are the GIF, and these are PNG in the child folder. That shows all of them at that thumbnail. And another is open with. You can choose open with any other software that you install on your PC, or edit. You can edit these images in your, for example, file, edit in a Paint software, the Paint default Windows editing tool. For example, we insert a shape here. This is very simple, solid color. And as you can see, going to the software, it's a real time. When you Ctrl S, hit Ctrl S, it will be add here. Pay attention that when you edit and add a software, you cannot go back and edit it again because it's not PSD and layered file. Ctrl Z and Ctrl S. Pay attention to that. You can break your images. Okay, going here in the file, you can print your images. Set your printer and then print. And reload image and reload image lead that I told you. Okay, this is file. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.